Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today we're taking a look at LoanSolo, found at loansolo.com. This platform acts as a connection point, linking potential borrowers with a network of lenders. It's important to understand that LoanSolo itself doesn't issue loans directly. They facilitate the process by matching your needs with lenders who might be a good fit. This can be particularly helpful if you're exploring different loan options or aren't sure where to start your search. Navigating loansolo.com is straightforward. The website presents a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy to understand the application process. You'll typically provide information about yourself, your financial situation, and the loan amount you're seeking. LoanSolo then uses this information to connect you with lenders within their network who offer loans that align with your specified criteria. One of the key advantages of using a service like LoanSolo is the potential for accessing a wider range of loan products and lenders. Instead of applying individually to multiple lenders, you submit a single application through LoanSolo, and they handle the distribution to their network. This can streamline the borrowing process and potentially save you time and effort. However, it's crucial to remember that each lender within the LoanSolo network has its own specific terms, conditions, and interest rates. It's essential to carefully review the details of any loan offer before accepting it. Factors such as April, repayment schedule, and any associated fees should be thoroughly considered. Don't hesitate to ask questions and compare offers from different lenders to ensure you're making an informed decision. Remember, borrowing responsibly is paramount. Understanding the full implications of a loan agreement is crucial for your financial well-being. Using a platform like LoanSolo can be a helpful starting point in your loan search, but it's your responsibility to thoroughly evaluate the options presented and choose the loan that best suits your individual circumstances.